I invited a bunch of people who don't have gaming PCs over to my house. They have no idea why I invited them. I built a PC for one of them, and the last one to take their hand off it gets to keep it. So you guys know why you're here today?
No. I do. They don't. No.
So, pretty much, there's a computer here. The last one you take your hands off it gets to keep it.
Oh, God.
So that's what the whole thing is today. Dead serious. So it plays Apex Legends at 60 to 70 FPS. So it plays Apex Legends fine. It plays PUBG fine. It plays a lot of games. Y'all can find a spot on the computer now, and place your hand on there, and that's where it's going to be for the next bit. Okay. So.
I'm ready, dude. I'm falling asleep.
He's in the corner.
Hey, bro.
Oh, weave.
That'd be superior if I was tired.
You just take a big nap.
Yeah.
That'd be
Dude,
smart.
You roll over though.
I had 5 hours of sleep. I can fall asleep instantly.
Your hand's gonna fall off if they fall asleep.
I hope you don't fall asleep.
You're the, you pick up that hand to readjust.
You better not. Oof.
So we can move our hand around.
Yeah, but you have to drag
You have to drag it. So
Okay.
it's
You
make
can't
contact.
like only put like one finger like this and then move it. You gotta like move it.
That won't be so hard until a big ass PC.
I was like, which one's your hand that you're
Oh,
using?
bro, I thought you just took your hand off.
Yo, what? No, my hand's in the back. Lance is keeping an eye on it.
Yo, imagine you just did it by accident. Oh, crap.
Chill.
Well, why do you want the gaming PC?
Because I want a PC. Complete the collection.
You complete the collection.
I got a PS4 and a Switch. You gotta complete the
Do you
collection.
have a one though?
Huh?
Do you have an Xbox One?
I don't want trash.
Oh.
Oh.
Shots fired.
That's fire.
And Lance, why would you want the PC?
I mean, I've always really wanted a PC because they're a lot nicer than a console. So.
Oh, this man knows what's up.
That's exactly why I want
You
it.
didn't screw this thing back in.
No, he can't. It's true.
It might be a little messed up.
Crappy screw.
Mr. Dan over here.
I'm playing for a friend. I'm not really too invested in this. Cody
doesn't need a PC.
Yeah, he does.
Cody
You should just text.
Does he have a PC?
Does he?
Yo, we better call him. Yo, where's?
We gotta call
You
him.
gotta FaceTime him. Well, he's probably
Yo,
not
this
up.
man's probably still asleep.
Yo.
Well, this man's gonna miss out.
Yo, so I'm in a situation where we're at Josh's house and everybody's here, but what we're doing is
It's your house too, genius.
look, no, but right now I have my hand on a computer, and if I'm the last one to take it off, it's your computer. That's if I win.
So do you want to bribe him?
Yeah, you need some motivation.
I feel like what?
You got this, Daniel.
Well, I'm not talking about money motivation.
So this is going wonderful now. Everyone's on their phone.
That's probably gonna be the end
Alright,
of me
like
whenever you
5
take away the
minutes
phone.
We're
Hey,
actually.
hey.
Watch this.
Oh yeah, we should all play.
Game.
Okay, I think it's time for phones. I think it's time for phones, everybody.
Yo, hold on. Let me put my phone on silent.
Oof. We got one phone.
Yeah. It's 2 phones. 3 phones.
What games do you guys want to play?
I'll be Apex with me.
Yeah. Apex or Modern Warfare.
Lance,
Yeah,
any
alright.
any
Yeah.
particular games?
Siege is a big one. I definitely will be Modern Warfare. Rocket League. That's my third.
And you're just
I'm just here for cutting.
What the hell?
Dude, it's like we both ruin the PC with our sweat.
It
It's
just
just
drips
like,
into
yeah.
the
Yeah,
Bush.
you know you're gonna lose, so you just sabotage the piece.
So we're gonna play a game. You have to shoot the Nerf gun into the cup, or should we make it knock the cup?
Knock the cup.
Knock the cup. I'm gonna put the cup somewhere in the room,
Because if you try and shoot it into the cup, it's just gonna go flying back.
Yeah.
and you have to knock the cup off. So starting off, we're gonna probably put it on top of the tripod.
You know, that's way too
That's
easy.
too close.
That's way too easy.
Actually,
I don't know about that.
alright, that's pretty easy. It shoots pretty straight.
If you hit the cup, you get to pick someone to stand up.
If they hit it again, then they get moved on to the next person.
Oh! Lance.
Yeah.
Oh!
Sniper.
So who's standing up?
I'm gonna have to go with Guadalupe.
Yo!
Yo, all the time, bro. I knew it.
Alright, I'll get the timer.
Next it's Dan. Let's see.
Oh, that wasn't even
Oh.
close.
Oh, that was.
Okay, so next it's just between Lance and Dan. Let's see. Go for it.
Oh,
it
you're
went
beat.
over.
Nice though.
Oh.
I gotta make the next shot or I'm beat.
No.
No.
You're standing up.
No, no, no.
You're standing up.
'Cause
You don't get a
Guadalupe
right
tried it.
I bet.
Exactly, bro.
So Lance just gets to sit down now, and you guys have to stand up.
Yo, my arm.
It was
Call
so
Cody.
funny.
Why don't we call Cody again?
Pick
Ask-
heads or tails. Someone
Cody,
pick heads or
Daniel.
tails.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna call
Daniel,
we're gonna call
just
Cody.
casually sits down.
Yo, I completely forgot. I was like, yo, why am I standing? I just went to go sit down. I was like, oh shit.
Wait, what is calling?
a C.
We should just call Cody and tell him what's going on.
No, just call Cody and say heads or tails.
So we all gotta decide
Okay.
heads or tails.
Tails.
Wait, I think no. We
Gives
can't
up.
just let him fly. I think it's either heads, he gets out, or tails, he.
That's what I'm saying. So yeah.
Yo, no,
So
I
we're
wanna
gonna
sit
decide.
down.
Cody.
Yo, heads or tails? Oh! You got me out.
He got out though.
What did
He just said heads.
Did he not say when he? What he said
No,
when
he didn't
got
ask.
out?
He said heads. I was like,
He literally didn't even ask why. He just said heads.
bro.
You gotta
my
text him.
wrist.
You gotta,
My
you gotta
wrist.
text him now why you had to ask that because you sat down.
Bro, look, I just forgot. Ow, what's this?
Now you get that nice comfy chair.
You guys want to play Uno? Alright, boys. I'll go first.
Alright.
Little zero.
Wait, why'd you go again?
Damn.
No.
Oh. Wait, so.
It's Guadalupe now.
Guadalupe
Guadalupe.
then yours.
I think it's just 13.
Uno.
Honestly. Wait.
Woo.
Your turn.
Wait.
Since just play normally
So
yellow.
Lance.
Oh no.
You see the car.
Wait. Daniel has Uno. Wait, let me see.
Uno out, boys.
Oh!
Let's go. That's a W.
Idiot! I couldn't do anything.
All right.
That's
so
it, we
doesn't that
keep
mean you have
playing.
to do a challenge.
Guadalupe,
It's not.
you must stand on 1 foot for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Again. One, bro.
No.
Guadalupe is a trooper. though.
Guadalupe, dude. He has that stamina.
Bro, he's focused. Look how low his foot off is from the ground.
When you put it down,
That
you
thing
out.
touches, bro. Be careful.
I picked the wrong foot. Just to let you know, I've been on crutches 4 times, okay? My leg is tired.
Just starts moving everything in the room.
Yo, I'm gonna go
Josh,
find
Wait,
My
that.
hand
that's
is
the
actually
trash can.
sweating so much.
I'm gonna go
Bro,
find the
how
trash
much longer?
You got a minute.
Yo, you said that 1 minute ago. Stop lying to me, guys.
You got 10 seconds.
No.
9,
I'm looking
Eight.
at the timer on my thing.
Bro, I
already.
started a timer
6,
right when you opened.
5,
No. No,
Okay,
you got a
that's
minute.
enough,
You got a
buddy.
minute. You got 50 seconds.
1.
No,
Am I
no,
get
no.
to sit down?
You're good. You're good.
No, it feels bad for Lance hasn't done a challenge yet, bro.
Actually,
Oh.
actually.
Guadalupe, you get a shot.
Yeah, Guadalupe, you get a shot on the cup.
You
You
get
get to
one
rotate
shot.
around.
Move, Connor. Connor, you're in the way.
Yo, I was shooting.
So, you
That was
both
so
have to
close.
stand up.
Stand up, eyes closed.
This is
It
like
takes hand off.
such a good use of our weekend. Like, we could be studying, doing homework, but no, we're here
Bro,
not
what
taking
up,
our
PC?
hand off a
Dude, I
computer.
picture Lance
Can we
gonna
sit
hang
down?
you.
Nope.
I don't know if these are long enough for Lance.
Move it
My
lower on his
hand,
head.
bro.
Move it lower. No,
Yeah,
like the
put it
front
out.
part. Yeah,
I don't know if I can.
Yeah, hold it.
Do it already.
Dude, we just faint from like the what is it smell?
Is there a
Liquid.
smell to it?
Well, I mean it's like clean smell.
like Josh.
Yeah.
Yo, I passed out. My hand's still on it.
Lance like can't see a thing.
No, I can't.
Here, hold
I
it.
just see blue. Black and blue.
That's what I'm standing behind me. Yo, don't shoot us! Yo. Bro, stop! No, chill!
Little do we know, me and
Is that
Guadalupe-
standing
Yo,
up?
yo, yo, yo,
Is that
careful,
standing up?
Guadalupe.
Yo.
Careful.
Little do we know, me and Guadalupe are getting kidnapped. It's just a slow
Yo.
process.
Yo.
I'm just fixing it so it won't slip off.
Okay, I'm thinking we're gonna do it now where you guys have to stand on one foot. Pick a foot and you have to stand on one foot
Yo,
while you're
chill,
blindfolded.
chill, chill.
Yeah.
On the count of, I'll tell you when.
Wait.
Make sure the blindfolds are
Mine is,
good.
like, tight.
Just make sure it doesn't slip off.
Yeah, you're good, you're good.
Okay, now you must stand on one foot, starting now.
Pick wisely. Switch.
You guys can switch to get used to it. So you guys can switch as much as you'd like for the first 5.
Yo, who is moving this?
Ew.
You guys can switch for the first 5 minutes.
Oh, so I'm gonna keep switching feet
I'm
then.
gonna go to the bathroom. You guys better still be alive by the time
Till 2020.
I can feel your guys' stress right now.
Dude, this is like... You don't understand how bad my
If one
hand
of us
is
wins, we're
sweating.
gonna hate each other for the rest of our
Nah,
lives.
Guadalupe, I will not hate you.
Oh.
I
Hey, that's
promise.
2 hands. That's 2
Wait.
hands. That was 2 hands.
Wait.
Did he?
He did do 2
Did
hands.
he?
He did do 2 hands.
Wait.
Wait.
What's
Let's
up?
talk about this.
Wait.
What do you think his punishment should be? Should he be out?
You can't switch legs
Can't
anymore.
switch feet.
Okay,
Bro.
okay, I'll take
Oh,
it.
he can't?
Yeah, he can't.
Okay.
You won't be able to in like 5 minutes, so.
My leg is so tired.
I don't think Lance can switch feet either. You get one
Wait.
more switch.
Why don't you get one more switch?
Okay.
Yeah, pick.
Ten
Pick
seconds.
one.
Okay, I'll just go with this one.
Alright.
No, it is very
And then close your
hard.
eyes.
Bro, this is hard.
Yo, wait, man.
Try this, Daniel.
Oh, why can't I
This is
switch?
hard.
Yo.
Dude, my leg may just give out.
Yeah.
Like, I'm...
Oh my god,
My
it's so
foot's
hard
going
to keep your
numb.
balance.
like, numb.
No, but it's like getting tired.
Yo, he's shaking. Guadalupe is shaking.
Yo, Guadalupe, try the like meditation strap. Put your leg up like on your knee.
That's
Yeah.
why...
That's not helping.
No, it's not bad. It's not bad. Like, I'm doing it.
Oh, they're both shaking, bro.
Dude, of course we are.
Yo.
And my hand is gonna be stuck like this for like the next hour. Oh,
Yeah.
my
You
hands
know, I
fall.
think-
My hands like getting numb.
you think
Dude,
you're gonna be able to
my hand
last an
is-
hour?
I'm so sorry, but my hand is so sweaty. Like,
That's a fact. Like this thing is about to die from sweat. This computer's gonna get drowned in sweat. We can't even use it.
Yo, I'm about to get a rule and see how many millimeters Guadalupe's foot is off the ground.
I get it Mondays to Wednesdays and Fridays.
dude, Guadalupe,
That's
stop
not
saying
me.
Dang,
That's
chill.
Daniel.
Dude, Daniel, stop. You don't understand this. My leg has only been standing for this like 5
Bro,
minutes.
I might have to call off for work. Yo, boss, I might be late.
Oh, Guadalupe, that foot's getting awfully close.
Yo, Guadalupe, pick that foot up.
Holy.
Yo.
Hey, Jonathan. Tell me how it's going right now.
I don't wanna. My foot is numb. It's falling asleep, and my hand is cramping, and my leg is.
Yeah. if you
Ah!
And Lance, how we feeling?
Feels like I'm about to get icicles at the end of my fingertips, and legs hurt.
How about you move your hand real quick? Just like slide it somewhere else so we can take a look.
Did you see it?
Yeah, there's a puddle.
No, but
Dude,
like the people
oh.
that are doing it.
On the ground.
Right, shake.
This is gonna last so long.
That made it shake.
What am I supposed to do?
Oh.
Oh, yo, Lance won. Lance won.
I fell.
How?
My foot
Oh my
just came
God.
out. It's so numb.
Dude, feel my hand. Feel my hand.
Yo,
It's so cold.
look at that.
So cold. Yo, I need to sit down. I need
You
to
should
sit
have seen Guadalupe. He was like, oh. Yo, Guadalupe, no. Yo, Guadalupe.
Hey, hold
No.
on. No.
Oh.
How you feeling though after winning?
Honestly, I'm happy I won, but whew, that's a physical experience right there. I mean, look at that sweat puddle. That's after sitting and drying for a minute.
Yo.
Jesus Christ.
Yo.
And Guadalupe, how you feeling?
My wrist is like, it's locked. I can't.
Man.
Yo, this man, I'm sorry. Get better.
Yo, that's some pit stains.
I got-
Jeez,
Oh.
Jeez, man.
That left one.
So what do you think about the computer?
Honestly, I'm really happy to have it. It feels smooth so far.
He's just in the background looking depressed.
Yeah, I don't know where to suggest though. That's a problem.
Skull time. I always go skull time.
And thanks for Connor for donating the power supply that's in
Oh,
here.
no.
Is it mine?
Yeah, it's your power supply.
That you're welcome.
Oh, you actually just. You know, I started using the devotion.
I'll pick that up.
It doesn't play bad at all.
Yo, we trying to get a squad running tomorrow?
Yo,
Yeah.
bet.
Sir.
All three of us?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys
So
can split it.
so on the bright side,
He gets
the
it all
the truth of the story is, you both get computers.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you both get computers.
Wait,
So-
what?
I haven't had Jonathan's up yet, but this is yours, and I've got one for Jonathan, so you're good.
Oh my God.
Jonathan, you gotta come over again, but
I'm gonna kill you all.
Yo, you could not have a PC.
Yo,
Sir.
Lance, I think we need to.
You really?
I think I need like a week off this person.
Bro, you're gonna need crutches again.
Yo, bro.
Hold up, you guys need to try that.
Bruh.
I think after having one hand on it for over an hour, I think I'll keep both.
You're now emotionally connected to that.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so this was by far probably my favorite video that I have ever done. It has taken the longest time to edit. It has taken quite a very, very long time to record. So I would like to be able to do this in the future, starting with number one for 100,000 subscribers. Whenever I reach that, I would like to do the same thing, only on a much larger scale, and get a lot more people that watch these videos, people that subscribe, to do that. Also, I would like to continue doing these videos, and that requires people to like the video for YouTube's algorithm to see it. That way I get more exposure to be able to make these videos and make more ad revenue and things like that. And recently I've been able to be very blessed with being able to take the ad revenue that I make and reinvest it back into the channel. So making these lovely videos that do things I normally wouldn't be able to do. Especially spending a good bit of money giving people computers, which obviously does cost money, but I think it would be such a wonderful idea to be able to continue to do this on my channel. So please consider liking the video and subscribing if that's something you're interested in, if you'd like to see more of these kind of videos, because I definitely would like to plan on doing more. So thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching one of my probably the best piece of content that I have ever made, and the best piece of content that I am most proud of. Also, both the individuals that stuck around in the end got gaming computers. Jonathan, I'm still working on building his up. I'll be dropping it off probably this weekend. But both people got computers, which is something I also feel like really should be done. I really felt bad, if someone got gypped or someone, messed up or something, that I feel like I didn't want it to be such a big burden that they messed up. So that's why I wanted to be able to give both people computers. And that's pretty much all the computers I have now. That's all the extra junk, well, not junk parts, but all the extra parts that I have. So I'm pretty much fresh out. So in order to do that, I have to go yard selling for another 1.5 years and find all those parts, find similar parts, and be able to do that again for maybe another video. So people that donate parts, I have a couple people that are donating parts. Basically, that will allow us to do more of those videos. So thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and consider subscribing so we can do more, and liking so we can do more of these kind of videos. Thank you guys very much, and thank you for letting me be able to help a bunch of people get gaming computers.